Now question of the day, how can determine equivalent resistance between A and B terminal? Look here very carefully. If that point and that point are same potential, it means 1 and here 1. Okay. After that, if this one is 2 and this one is 3. So 2 to 1, 2 to 1, both are parallel. Okay. These two are, that one and that one are parallel. And same thing, 1 to 3 and here 1 to 3. Okay. These two also parallel. Okay. Otherwise, you can redraw circuit. This is this one, that point is 2. So 2 to 1. After that 2 to 1, 2 to 1, R and R. And that point is 1. After that 1 to 3. And again 1 to 3. That is R and this one is also R. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. After that here 1 to A. 1 to A, connect R. Here A to 3. Here 1, 2 and here 3. A to 3 is how much? R. Clear? After that 2 to B and here 1 to B. So 1 to B R, 1 to B R and 2 to B. So 2 to B, 2 to B also R. Clear? So 2 to B and 1 to B connected like that one. Look here. After that, these two are parallel, so same resistance, so R by 2. R by 2 and R in series. So combination of these two is how much? 3R by 2. Okay, and 3R by 2 and R are parallel. So that one is simply 3R by 5. Okay, otherwise you can simply divide it by 3R by 2 plus R. So finally you can say that 3R divided by 5. Clear? So here 1 to B equivalent resistance is how much? 3R by 5. Same thing here, are these two are parallel, so R by 2 and R in series. So 3R by 2 and 3R by 2 and R parallel. So you can say that that combination is how much? 3R by 5. After that, here A and here B and that point is 1. A to 1, A to B. So 3R by 5 and this one is also 3R by 5. So finally R of AB is how much? Simply 6R by 5 is the final answer. Make it. Okay.